Hello dear Capricorn, welcome back to my channel, and this is your third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading, then that's already uploaded on my channel. Click on the video section and find your signs reading. So if you're a Capricorn sun, moon or rising, this reading is for you. The cards are already out, so let's begin. What is happening in your love life? You've got the 7 of Stars and the Star card. Now, I think they are beautiful cards to have when we talk about your love life. I also see that you could be dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon Rising, or you could have this in your own birth chart. I do see that some sort of proposal is coming your way, a relationship commitment proposal, friendship offer, or marriage proposal, which is going to make you very happy. This proposal is like your star wish, like a wish fulfillment, like you have been praying for it for a very long time. It could be that you guys separated and you really wished for this reconciliation to happen, for this person to come back. That's going to happen for you. If you were waiting to get married, you wanted this person to propose you for marriage or some sort of proposal come your way, then yes, relationship proposal is coming your way and marriage proposal is also coming your way. If you're already married and you were waiting that, or hoping that things will smoothen up again or become hunky and dory again, that is also happening. And if you were waiting for pregnancy related news, that is also happening. So whatever your wishes are related to your love life, your relationships improving, I do see you will get all that you're dreaming about. Also, try and stay positive so that your wishes come true faster for you. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the 4 of Stars and the Knight card. I hope you can see the card. You could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon Rising. I do see that this person, you are working with this person. It looks to me like they could be a business partner, they could be your investor, they could be a colleague. So you are ending something with them. And you're walking away from something. So it could be that in the third week of May, you are ending a relationship with a partner, which means your business deal is ending. Or it could be that you're ending a job for another job. It could be that you're ending a business, or it could be that you're firing somebody or you are being fired. There is a separation I see. There is a point where you're walking away from something. I also see travel, so it could be that you're traveling for work this week, or you're taking up a job away from home. That means in another city, state, country as well, right? So where you are moving away from your family members, and this can cause pain and hurt to you. So you're walking away from something which is either causing you pain or the people you're leaving behind some sort of pain. Okay, so I do see that you like being the center of attention, and you will only go where you get more money, more attention, more fame. So I do see you running after that, chasing that kind of opportunity in the third week. So it could be that you already have an opportunity, and that's why you are leaving this current opportunity to go for that opportunity. So yes, that can also happen. There are different situations, but I do see distance here. So definitely it is a travel job or it is away from your home for sure. But you are making a change. You are making a move. You are walking away from something. Probably this something stopped helping you, like maybe financially they were not giving you the results that you wanted, they were not giving you the attention that you wanted, the fame that you wanted from your job, from your career growth. So they were probably not giving you the growth that you wanted. So you are definitely walking away from something in the third week. And yes, this is your reading, which looks okay, I would say very good for your personal life, no matter if you're in a relationship, situationship, or marriage, but a little dicey when it comes to your work. So that was your third week. That's how it looks like. If you guys resonated with it, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know what exactly is happening in your life. What is your life situation like, and which part did you resonate with the most? I will be reading all your messages, liking them, and trying to comment back. I will reply back to all of you, right? So yes, if you would like to book any personal readings, I do personal readings as well, rituals and counseling sessions. So you can check out the prices, and you can, I do have love packages as well. So you can check out the prices or book any reading by emailing me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all such details on a daily basis when your reading is out, when what kind of prices are available, because I have a different range of prices for different people out there. So you can book audio video sessions are also available for you. You can book typed formats also, so that it's cheaper for you. Choose according to your own budget. Okay, so yes, like, share, subscribe, share it with anyone who would like to book a counseling session as well. If you think they need therapy, guidance, or have a heavy heart, or have too many secrets, and if you think this is you and people will judge you, you can come to my platform and share your deep dark secrets with me. You will not be judged, I promise. So yes, these are the two ways you can book a reading with me, and audio video sessions are only available on Instagram, Zoom call, and Google Meet. So please do not leave your numbers, it's irrelevant. And yes, take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye bye.